Many beginner gardeners think they're failing when their garden is actually doing fine. Gardening doesn't look perfect at the start, and that's normal. Beginners often expect fast growth and perfect-looking plants, but early growth is slow. Roots are developing first, before leaves and harvests appear. When progress is slow, beginners assume something is wrong. They change watering, move plants, or add fertilizer too early. Those reactions often create real problems. Healthy beginner gardens often look uneven, slow, and a little messy. That doesn't mean failure, it means plants are establishing. Instead of fixing everything, you should observe it. Give plants time to adjust. Consistency beats constant changes in gardening. Most beginner mistakes come from reacting too quickly. Gardening rewards patience more than effort. I made a simple beginner gardening checklist that covers what to do before planting and how to avoid common early mistakes. It helps you start calmly and confidently. The free checklist is linked in the description.